Well, we've got a little issue with the tractor today. I'm gonna try to get this taken care of. Sprung a leak on this cylinder. So we got a new seal kit and we'll see if we can get it fixed up. Alright, so I'm gonna take this pin out. I think just leave this end connected so that we can break this loose. Don't have the special tool, probably just going to use some channel locks. I might take the whole thing out to change all the O-rings, might do it in place, we'll see what happens. Just clean this thing up a little bit. Oh, she's tight. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but if you can see that blue seal in there, probably the reason it was leaking. But we're going to change all the seals anyway. Alright, we got our seal kit. If you're wondering, part numbers. Got this on Amazon. Hopefully it's the right one. Guess we'll find out. Well, and if you're wondering why we're not working in the garage, it's a disaster. Still gotta do the workbench and it's a mess. And you know, we got a bunch of ducks. There's ducks. And Mona. So we're just gonna work on top of the tractor. That's all right. Well, these new ones aren't color coded the same, but should still work. Hopefully. Just get those gaps opposite each other. Oh no, this one looks a little smaller. Whoa. Just coming out in pieces. Alright, looks like this one goes a certain direction, which I did not pay attention to. Alright, just had to consult the old YouTube hydraulic repair, find out which way that went. And I think we found out where the other extra O-ring went too. So that's going to go down a little bump. Get a little lube on there. Boop. Okay. Alright, so now this one, which looks very different than the one we took out, I think. That one kind of sprung and shot somewhere. Oh no, it's the same. It's just got paint on it. So this one's a hammer in. You know, we'll just use this right here. I might have went a little too far on that one spot somehow. See if we can gently pop it back out. I don't know. No. That's a little better. Good enough for me. Alright, so this other one apparently goes behind that one. Alright, well, battery died. We're back. So the last O-ring went under here. This is like, it's like an expander O-ring. It's hard to see with that off. You could, you know, hard to see it in there. But then you gotta like tighten this white one down. I don't have a hose clamp. Can't find a hose clamp at least. So I kind of tried using this and just wrapping it around. But we'll see. We might be able to get it in there. I think it's good enough. So we'll start reassembling. Well, that's promising. Much tighter going on than it was coming off. Oh, I forgot to mention in that hydraulic repair video, same issue, same seal failed. So I guess that's pretty common. Well, you know, that was stupid. I forgot to put the nut on. Well, that was really stupid. Alright. Got it out. That was stupid. At least you know it goes in without crushing it too hard. That white one. Back in there first and then crank her down. Let's go ahead and check if it leaks. Well, I'd say we got it. Now we can get back to leveling a spot for the duck house. Although this one looks a little wet too, which is concerning. But it's not dripping. It's always good. Alright, well, probably gonna do a grease round on this thing. Double check the hydraulic level. Top it up. And we're good to go. So yeah, I don't know, if you like this, if you want to see the duck house coming along, those ducks are only 2.5 weeks old. They're getting huge, so that's the priority now. You know, we got the workbench to do, a lot of stuff to do, endless stuff to do. I don't know, but yeah, if you like this, you want to see more stuff like this, it's just kind of me doing random stuff that comes up, stuff that I want to get done. Follow along, come along for the ride. It's a great time.